Welcome everyone, I'm Esther Kovac, CEO and co-founder of DroneTalks, and today I will talk about Area Cities, our invitation-only VIP event. We received a lot of questions on social media, via internet, via email about the event, and I would like to reply on a few. The first question was, how can you get into the event? As mentioned before in the previous video, you need to fill the form in the description, request and attendance, and the board will review your request, or you can sponsor the event. It is a C-level event only, so we will only approve C-level stakeholders and leaders of the industry and CAA and cities. The second question, I think what we received was that how the program will look like, what will be the focus areas. The program is under development. We will have a few focus areas. I can share one or two. One of them going to be sustainability, social acceptance, benefits of AAM drone services for cities. We will cover cities' needs. We will also have keynotes from user perspective, but we will also have keynotes from government perspective. We will have networking activities, and we will also have workshops in the afternoon. I received another question about the award. As you may have seen in a few places, we will have the CEO of the Year award. Yes, it is not out yet. You cannot send your application yet. Please bear with me. We need a few more months to open up for the applications. When the platform is ready, you can submit the application for the CEO of the Year. We will have different categories as well. We also received questions about if the event only focuses on Switzerland. No, this is a European event. We will invite European cities, European CAAs and executives from the industry. Thank you so much for your questions. It's all clear now. Just put in comment if you have more questions related to the event. If you want to be a part of it, also message me here in LinkedIn or reach out to our team. Thank you for our sponsors, as always, and thanks for being with us.